Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Increasing returns to scale looks tricky, but this one is fast. If inputs double, ask what must happen to output, then lock the correct choice.
Increasing returns to scale means the firm gets proportionally more output from a proportional increase in all inputs. So this question is really testing the definition, not some cost formula. By definition, when every input is doubled under increasing returns to scale, output rises by more than 2 times, which immediately rules out revenue, profit, average cost, and marginal cost choices. So the only necessary result is more than double the quantity of output, which matches choice E exactly, and that is the winner. Well done! Scan now. Do not rush signs or guess from costs. Trust the given definition and check each step before choosing E.